Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Brittany of BrittanyJJones.com. I'm a sewing content creator and pattern designer for Know Me Patterns. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you a fabric haul. Now, I just shared a fabric haul with you in my last video, and the only thing that I've sewn from that haul so far is this jumpsuit that you can kind of see behind me. I'll be sharing photos of that really soon, so y'all just kind of look out for that. But I was not planning to come back so soon with another fabric haul. If you follow me on Instagram, then you probably saw this reel right here where me and Faith went over to Mimi's house to go through her fabric stash. She was wanting to get rid of some fabric and I was like, absolutely. I was on the way. I was on the way, literally. On I-20, I-85, and 285, all the way there, period. I'm coming to get the fabric. When I tell y'all, I went there only with the mindset to kind of look for something to shop so I can do the sew alongs for my new fall patterns, which is Know Me 2132. It's a unisex motor style jacket, and my husband is on the cover with me for this one. And also Know Me 2133. This one here, Justice is on the cover with me. It's a Girls and Misses denim dress. So I was like, okay, you know what? I need to knock out these sew alongs. Let me just see what she has. I may be able to get what I need from her stash for these patterns. So much more was in store, okay? So much more was in store, but let's just go ahead and get started. Now, before I start, not everything has like the descriptions and what it is and how much the yardage is. So bear with me on that. I don't know what all the contents are. I'm just going off of feel, okay? This first one here is a 4-way stretch knit. It's super soft. This is probably a modal or maybe a rayon, nice jersey. It's really lightweight. It's gonna have a really beautiful flow. I can just tell that just by the hand of it. I'm also gonna be doing the Sew It Academy course for July, and that is gonna be a really cute knit dress. And so I think I'm gonna use this fabric here for that, but it's gorgeous. It has to be at least 4.5 yards here in my hand, but really excited about this. And again, I'm going to use this for the upcoming July Sew It Academy course. I love it. I love this color. One thing I did do is I got a lot of color, which is fantastic. And Faith got a lot of like staples, a lot of navies, a lot of blacks. That's what she's drawn to. I think she did get a few color pieces, but I definitely got the bright stuff. Definitely got the bright stuff. So yeah, this is the first one here. Love this one. This one right here is a rib knit. I'm pretty sure this is something that she got from Blackbird. I feel like I saw her do a reel where she mentioned this. I could be wrong though, but this is a really nice, beautiful brown rib knit fabric here. I thought this was just really beautiful. It'll make a really nice dress. I got a lot of knits, which I'm excited about because I usually get more so wovens for some reason. I started to notice when it came to knit patterns, I really didn't have a lot of knits in my stash. So I love this. And I think I also have a white rib knit similar to this. So yeah, this is just a nice, really pretty kind of caramel rib knit fabric here. Next up, she actually had some of our French terry that we had at Melanated Fabrics, where we had these and we had the matching rib knit to it. She had some of this. And I was like, oh my gosh. I don't think I have any of the ribbing. I do think Blackbird may have the matching ribbing to this. So I'll definitely check to see if they have it. But I love these fabrics. Next up is this really pretty cotton. I want to say that this is a poplin. If not, it may not be a poplin. I feel like poplin has a little bit more of a heavier hand, but it's a cotton. It does have a nice crisp weight. So this will be fantastic for some type of shirt, whether I want to do a button up or maybe a cotton wrap top or something light, like maybe something like Simplicity 3135, I think could be really cute in this. So I have this. I don't know how much this is, but yeah, really nice cotton. The color is delicious. So yeah, this is another one that I grabbed. This one here had the sticker on it. So this is from Mood. It's 4 yards. This is a water repellent nylon. I don't know if she used it. Maybe she used some of it. If it's the whole 4 yards, yay for me. If not, that's okay. But this was some of the fabric that she used to make one of her patterns. It was like a windbreaker type jacket. I'll put the pattern up so y'all can see, and it had matching pants. This was that fabric. So Yay me. Definitely gonna make a jacket with this. I'll see how much fabric it is and then I'll just kind of, you know, pick the pattern based off of that. But this again is the 4-ply water repellent nylon fabric. Next up, from Core Fabrics, she had the signature jewel tone Eco Vera viscose, 4 yards. Delicious, 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 of this amazing color, a viscose. Love. Next up, this looks similar to some fabric that we used to have at Melanated, but it could be from someone else. I don't know. It's definitely like that kind of washed. Oh, the mailman scared me. I was like, who is that? It's definitely like that washed tinsel. So it has kind of like that washed look on it, kind of that worn look. Tinsel, so this is gonna be fantastic for a pair of pants, a nice dress if I wanna make a dress with it. It's just gonna be great. I love it. It's be perfect for a nice pair of trousers. So I'll see how much is on this and then I'll pick my pattern based off of it. But it's gonna be fantastic for, like I said, a trouser, a nice jumpsuit, a pant, something like that. It's gonna be great with this. So this is another one here. A lyocell. This has got to be at least 4 yards in here. A nice brown lyocell, delicious. Love that for me. Again, a nice pair of pants, a jumpsuit. I actually made my jumpsuit. I made it out of a lyocell during my sew along, so I could use this to make my jumpsuit pattern or, you know, someone else's jumpsuit pattern. But again, definitely have enough to do a lot with this. Love it. The next one here, she's like, I don't know why I bought this. At first, before I felt it, I was like, you can make a pretty, you know, slip dress, bias cut skirt. She's like, it's like satin, which it is. So this would be like something you could take and make a really structured gown or something, or a structured blazer, some nice pants. This is that kind of satin. And so it's dragon fruit from Blackbird, 4 yards. I'm actually thinking about, I immediately thought about Butterick 7044. I think this skirt, the structure of it, the body of it, this satin might be spot on beautiful for this skirt. So that's just one idea that popped in my mind when I felt the fabric. I was like, yeah, that could be something. And again, the color is just gorgeous. I love it. So this is another one here. Next, she had some scraps of these 2 denims here from Blackbird. One is brown and cream, the other one is black and cream. I'm sure you all saw the set that she made. I think she made jeans with this one and a set with this one. I don't know how much is left. I'm crossing my fingers that I have enough to at least make a skirt out of it. Maybe I could do like the shorts part of the skirt in this and have the wrap part going over in this. I don't know, that might be weird. You all let me know. I'm trying to think through it, but I do love both of these. And yeah, I will see what I can make with the remaining yardage of that. Next up, this is a really interesting denim. It has, I don't know, it's kind of, I'll give you all a close-up, but it's really interesting on the main part of it. I thought though this would be really a nice pair of jeans, something really fun, something really different, a nice barrel leg. I know Vogue has a barrel leg jean pattern. And so I thought about that when I saw this. I was like, you know, that'd be really cute with a little white tank top. Yeah, it's maybe 3 yards here. I don't know, but I like it. I like it a lot. So I got this one. Apparently I love lyocell because I got more. This one's from Core Fabrics. It's 3 yards, lyocell twill, gorgeous. Again, a nice, really great pair of pants, trousers, something like that. Be fantastic out of this. Again, from Core Fabrics, another lyocell twill, 3 yards, beautiful wine color. I love that. This one right here is some type of knit. It's not a dry hand, it's a very smooth hand. The recovery, the spandex in it is fantastic. This would be great for like a bodycon dress, any kind of summer knit dress. It's gonna be great for that. And I'm pretty sure I got this same fabric. I think she said she wanted to do like a color block dress, so she had more colors. I'll show you as I pull them out, but this is just a knit. It's got to be at least 4 yards here, so I'm excited about this. Next up, this is a delicious linen. It's probably a linen blend. It's just gorgeous. I love this. You see that color? It's got kind of that wash look. I know it's a linen blend because I just made this dress out of the same exact fabric. It was just like a caramel brown, but I love this fabric. This would be great for a lot of things. Dresses, pants, tops. It's at least 4 yards here. 4.5. Is that her standard 4.5? Maybe. I need to ask her that. Is that her standard that she usually orders? Now this one right here is bright. She's bright, but I love it. This is the one that's just like this kind of, is it minty, tilly? What is this color? I don't know. I can't think of it, but they're the same type of knit. Have a lot of both of them. Oh, and this is the other one. So it's 3. 3 of these are the same. They're all at least 4 yards, like, yay. Next, I grabbed this right here. She said this was some of like Joanne's blanket fabric. She wanted to make like a throw over shawl kind of thing with it. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'll use this fabric here, you know, obviously once it gets cooler, and make something similar to that. Look at this rib knit. I love this. The ribbing on this is like a Kentucky ribbing, if that even makes sense. I don't know, but it's just delicious. This would be fantastic for a dress. Love this. And the green is a Kelly green. It's not quite picking up how Kelly green it is on the camera. It's just delicious. I love it. The last one here is this gorgeous print. It feels like a rayon. I'm just gonna call it a rayon. But it's gorgeous. I love this. This would be a really pretty dress or skirt. So yeah. So that is the haul, friends. I'm actually just considering this my birthday gift from her. My birthday's tomorrow, July 2nd. So I mean, it's giving a gift. But yeah, thank you all so much for tuning in. If you have any ideas or things that you think would be really great in one of the fabrics that I shared, please drop the patterns down in the description box. And stay tuned, friends. You should just go ahead and subscribe now if you're not. That way you can see what I do with all these yummy and delicious fabrics. Until next time, blessings everyone. Bye.